We're doing 138 by...
What?
128 by 38.
Got a spare on this, I think these are tight.
128 by 38. Do you remember when you thought you lost Yasmin? She got stuck in your neighbour's garage.
Yeah.
How much did it cost for like one of those?
What is?
Yeah.
No, I don't think that was too deep. Too dead. A couple, 200 and something quid.
Was that it? I was expecting it to be a lot more than that, to be fair.
But the better ones.
I thought JCB was like a good brand though.
Yeah, JCB's alright.
Go with the close up.
Saw out again and do the centre braces on 2 of them, or 3.
Need the middle bit now.
Yeah, but I think I'll put a centre one in this one as well.
Yeah?
Yeah. In case we end up, we'll do that one last.
Okay.
So, we need
So.
we need So, what we're going to do is...
This one?
Somebody's getting impatient in the background.
Just in case you put the saw away again, you need to get it back out.
So, put this under here again.
Shall I paint them pink? Give Cosmo a bit of a surprise.
Yeah. So, what we're going to do is
$74, no? You did 128? That's why you need to go to school, children. This needs to go to the back because it's split wood.
Split wood.
Because you never know.
You never know, you might need it.
Last one.
And we'll carry this on upstairs on a thing, put the wire caging on the back of these. So see you soon.
Moments later.
I should really take this plaster off my arm.
Yeah, I think you're milking that a bit.
I know. I just realised I've still got it on. Let me finish painting this layer and I'll turn it on. Not all the attention today.
Don't forget the inside as well.
I'm doing the outside, hang on. There's loads of chicken in there. Right, love, you just sit there and do nothing.
Alright, we can share the brush.
I'm joking. Right, now what we're going to do?
Flip it over.
Do the other side?
Yeah. Give it a coat on the front.
It's only the first coat, don't worry.
The other side's the back side, and it says the front side.
Back side, sorry. How am I turning 30 this year?
Bottom.
I'm not gonna lie, I did actually watch Shrek 1 and 2 last week.
I do like them because it's like a kids' cartoon with adult humour.
Oh, yeah, 100%.
Day 2.
This is the most boring part of the job. Safety first, don't wear your gloves.
Yeah.
That'll do. And a thumbs up. No, it looks fine. Give us a thumbs up.
So, after a couple of days of sawing, stapling, and these creations getting cut to bits with a wire, we come out with these. And these are for, basically, so she can fit them inside of her windows and have the windows open, so the cats don't escape, because they're indoor cats. So we've done these frames with mesh and all different sizes, as you can see. We'll get them in the shop. So that's what we've been up to. So these will be alright for the job, and yeah, so she's pleased with them. So all we've got to do is fit them As I say, they're just slotted inside the actual window frame. So that should be cool. And let's see what we can get up to next. See you later, guys. Bye.